How to make custom subscribe button with bell icon like this in Canva. So let's start with it. So first I will go to video here, and here I will choose video landscape format, and which is ideal for YouTube video dimensions. And first I will be needing a green screen, because the chroma key indicates the green screen quite properly. So while editing this custom button, the green screen is compulsory. So I will first change the color. Here I will add a new color, and here the code for green screen is 01FE00. So this is the code. Okay, so green screen is here. Now we need to make the icons. So for that we will go to elements, and we will scroll down to find shapes, and here I will choose the circle one. Okay, and the first one I will make it black color, make it size bigger, and duplicate it, and this time I will change the color to something in light gray. Okay, and make it smaller. Okay, so this one is done. After that I will come to shapes again, and this time I will select this rounded square. Okay, and after selecting this I will make it to the shape. Here I will keep it, because as you can see it is in middle, and after that I will change the color to red. Okay, and after changing it to red, and I will go to text, and before that I will select this two icons and make it in the middle. Okay, and after that I will go to here and right here add a heading, and here I will write subscribe. Okay, and just change the color to white. Okay, and just fill in here, decrease the size to 72. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's zoom in so that I can understand it in a better way and also help you understand. Okay, so just decrease the size to 68 maybe, because we want to also add it to subscribed here, and make it in the middle. And after that I will use this rounded square again and duplicate it, and this time I will just cover in here and cover till here. Okay, and I will just change the color to white for this one, and go to show layers and just make it below the white red color and also the black color. Okay, so that it goes beyond that. And after that, so our subscribe button is ready, but we have to work on this animation part. So this is the logo part. As you can see here, you can add your logo. So, and after that we will just go to elements, and here we will just use finger. Okay, and go to graphics, click on see all, and here I will find this finger, and this I will be using. So make it smaller and make it go down till here, so that only some part of this is visible. Now click on animate, and make sure you click on create an animation. Okay, and just create a path. Okay, so the path is created, and movement style, keep it smooth so that it looks like this, and decrease the speed. Okay, so, and as you can see the icon is moving till C. So while in the second part, as we will be adding another alphabet which is D, which will create the word as subscribe, we will make sure that the hand icon goes till R. Okay, so I will just duplicate the page, and this time I will change the color from red to light gray. Okay, and the color of this subscribe will be in black. Okay, so this one is done, but we need to change it to subscribed, right? So the hand icon is working for this only. So as you can see, one step is moved. So this time, so as you can see, the hand is animated in the first part, but I will not animate in the second part. So I will just click on animate and select delete path. Okay, and from this, and we will just bring it till R. Okay, and we will create a bell icon here, so we will use it for your example. So need to create the bell icon part. So for this we will go to elements again. Okay, and use this circle and change it to any other color, like for example we are changing it to red color again. We will add the bell icon here. So for this, and I will just type in here bell icon, and after that I will go to graphics, and here in this settings icon I will just scroll down to select only the animated. Okay, so I will scroll down to find this one, which is animated bell, and I will make it smaller until it comes in this circle. So make it a little smaller and fit it in the circle. So as you can see, the circle here is fitted with the bell, and select both the layers and just group them. Okay, so here it is done. After that I will just select this hand icon layer and go to show layers and move it to the top. Okay, and after that I will go to animate again and create an animation again, and for this time I will just create the path from this side to this side. Okay, so this looks like this, and after that you will click on smooth again and just decrease the speed. Okay, so as you can see, the animation here will look like this. Just decrease the duration to 2 seconds. Okay, let's check. Okay, and so the animation is done, but as you can see, something is missing out because the subscribe portion is good, and we need to decrease the duration a bit so that our subscribe motion looks good. So this part is done, but as you can see, the icon is coming too quickly, so we need to move it with the hand adjustment. So we will click in here. So this time let's work on it and check it again. So this is the animation part, and I hope you like this tutorial. And this is a quick tutorial, as many of the YouTubers are there who need a green screen custom subscribe button, and this will be quite helpful for them. So hope you like this tutorial.